Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2017 Lexus RCF Sport. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, stainless steel window trim, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 18-inch alloy wheels, performance tires, speed-sensitive wipers, fully automatic projector beam, LED daytime running headlamps, and a strong 6-cylinder all-wheel drive with only 6,559 miles. The quasi-dual exhaust, large LED brake lights, key fob trunk release, a spacious cargo area with a cargo net and first aid kit, and a very comfortable back seat. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled new Lux seating with driver memory, dual zone auto climate, a garage door opener, a push button start, a locking glove box, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the entertainment system with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.